Do you believe in God? Alvin asked his brother Levi one night, as they were lying down in bed around 11 at night. I don't think so, Levi replied. Alvin and Levi shared a room together. Why not? Asked Alvin. I had never seen one, Levi said. Alvin was 12 years old and Levi was eating. I think I saw one, Levi. Alvin told his brother, sounding frightened. Go to sleep, Alvin, Levi told his brother, as he turned around in his bed to face the closet. There's no such thing as a ghost, Levi said. Alvin and Levi were lying on separate beds. Levi had fallen asleep half an hour ago, but Alvin was still awake. He was having a hard time trying to go to sleep, as someone was keeping him awake. It sounded like someone was walking out in the hallway, right outside his bedroom door. It was completely dark. Alvin was curious to find out who was shouting out in the hallway. 5 minutes had passed and the creaking hadn't stopped. Alvin slowly rose from his bed. He moved towards his door, taking one step every 2 seconds. When he finally reached his door, he put his hand on the doorknob and gradually began to turn it. The walking had no sense. Alvin, what are you doing? Levi said right before Alvin could open the door. I think there's a ghost in the hallway. Alvin replied. Levi rose to his feet and went to the door. I go with you, Levi said. The two opened the door together and poked their heads out the door to take a look. You said it was nothing, Levi said. Alvin and Levi went back to bed. Levi again fell asleep before Alvin. Alvin could not go to sleep. There was someone walking in the hallway.